Hi guys! The next few videos that I will be posting will be about paintings that I didn't like how it came out, that I tried to fix, or that I just threw away at the end of the day, or that I didn't finish. It's just to show you that not everything we do, not every single painting always works out right, always is what we want it to be, and that for every one painting that we think is fine, there's probably 5 or 10 paintings that we don't like. So this painting in particular, I liked it to a point, and I think I overworked it. I moved the eye. The eye wasn't in the right position at the end of the day. I tried to fix it, and it just didn't work. In my opinion, it didn't work. I didn't like it. And at the end of the day, I scraped off all the paint. And I will start over, either trying to do it again, but most probably painting something completely different over it. So, enjoy the video, have fun seeing the next flops, and have a great day. Bye bye. how it turned out, and as you can see, the eye on the right is too high up, and the face had a very Beauty and the Beast vibe for me, more on the Beast's side. So what I did is, first of all, I tried to fix it by scraping off the eye on the right, as you can see here, and I redid it, but I was still not happy with it, and once it's in my head that I don't like a painting, that's it. And this is the result. I scraped off all the paint. And now to start over. Oh well. Que sera, sera.